Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. All eyes are on favorite actor Tom Hanks and his wife Rita Wilson as they recover in quarantine from the coronavirus. Hanks has been a beacon of hope for the world, offering messages to reassurance from his isolated position. Needless to say, this situation has caused many to think back on one of Hanks' most famous movie roles in Castaway. So if you love Castaway and are looking for more movies that highlight staying strong in isolation, we have some great suggestions for you. Rescue Dawn. Castaway finds Hanks fighting for survival on an island, but the second half of the film focuses on his daring escape. Rescue Dawn follows a similar path as it stars Kristen Bell as a pilot in the Vietnam War who is shot down and taken prisoner. The Werner Herzog film shows the incredible brutality this man has to endure in captivity and the amazing resolve he had to finally find a way to escape.
You can run in here if you like.
The Grey. Part of what's so compelling about Castaway is the Hanks begin as a somewhat clueless man without any idea how to survive. We then see him gradually learning and teaching himself as time goes by. The Grey takes a different approach with its protagonist Liam Neeson stars as a hunter who is on a small plane that crashes in the Arctic tundra. This man knows the dangers they face and attempts to lead the other survivors across the unforgiving wilderness while being haunted by wolves.
Got a better chance of finding shelter.
Locke. Hanks' performance in Castaway is such a powerhouse, he carries the entire movie despite being the only person on screen for a large majority of the runtime. It is a level of talent that few actors have. Tom Hardy proved to be up to the daunting task as well as in a very different film. In Locke, Hardy plays a man driving his car on his way to business meeting as his whole life gradually falls apart. The entire film is just this man in his car driving and talking on the phone, yet Hardy makes it utterly engrossing.
You can make it good.
This is a joke to you.
No.
Captain Phillips. Hanks doesn't seem to have good luck in the middle of the ocean. First, he was fighting off Mother Nature in Castaway, then he was fighting off pirates in Captain Phillips. Based on a true story, Hanks plays the captain of a cargo ship who is taken hostage by pirates. He is once again in the role of an ordinary man put in an extraordinary position. The heroics in the film are not particularly grand, but Hanks sells them with such authenticity that we become entirely captivated by this man's plight.
1 minute, I will kill all your friends.
Swiss Army Man. Castaway is really the quintessential deserted island movie after one setting and tells a simple yet gripping tale of survival. It would be hard for any movie to bring something new to that type of story, but the filmmakers behind Swiss Army Man certainly find a unique approach. The movie stars Paul Dano as a hopeless man stranded on an island who comes across the corpse of a man, which was Daniel Radcliffe. Together, the two unlikely friends go on a surreal and touching journey together. It is one of the strangest and entertaining films you are likely to see in a while.
And there's 7 billion people on the planet. You might be lucky.
127 Hours. While the survival story at the center of Castaway is grand and captivating, it's easy to forget there are real-life survival stories that are harrowing as anything Hollywood could ever come up with. James Franco stars in 127 Hours as Aaron Ralston, an experienced hiker and climber. While on a solo hike, Aaron's arm becomes trapped under a boulder with no help in sight. Franco gives a powerful performance in what is essentially a one-man show, and the story itself is a frightening, heartbreaking, and inspiring true story. Apollo 13. Hanks appears yet again in a gripping story of survival against great odds. This time, he has traded in the middle of the ocean for the equally perilous darkness of space in another true story that feels almost unbelievable. Hanks stars alongside Bill Paxton and Kevin Bacon as astronauts of the Apollo 13 mission to the moon. After a catastrophic failure, their mission is aborted and they must make their way back to Earth as their ship falls apart.
The heart rates are skyrocketing.
All is lost. With all these movies about disaster on the high seas, you begin to wonder why people ever leave dry land. Robert Redford gives his own incredible one-man show performance in All Is Lost. He plays a man sailing alone on his sailboat who finds himself gradually in more and more danger about his boat is damaged. Despite the impending doom throughout the film, it is quite a story. Redford is almost wordless in the role yet holds your attention the entire movie. Life of Pi. It is not just the fight for survival that makes Castaway an interesting story, it is also the aftermath of that experience when he gets off the island. This man who was always on the go finds that life went on without him and he has to forge his new path now. Life of Pi tells a similar tale of not only how someone survived, but how the event shaped at the rest of their life. Ang Lee directed this beautiful and heartbreaking story based on the acclaimed novel by Yann Martel. It is a story that holds an emotional punch but also a touching message. The Martian. Survival stories like Castaway are so powerful not only because of the harrowing journey of the main characters but for his incredible feeling of seeing someone overcome adversity and go on. The Martian is another wonderful example of such a story being done so effectively. Matt Damon stars as Mark Watney, an astronaut who is left behind on a mission to Mars. As a rescue mission is mounted at NASA, Watney uses his mind to solve each new problem he faces so he can stay alive. It is a captivating, funny, and entertaining process of a man taking one small step after another to make his way home.
This will come as quite a shock to my crew.